Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans at the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Pyramid 0, Orlando Pirates 0. I'm joined by Sir Percival.
Stibo. Umnandi.
Amnandi, remember?
Ayithukubulise kahle yabona.
Yeah.
Stibo walikho si.
Kosi. Yeah. Tango member.
Ah, mfethu awukringa ka number 9, number 7, number 11 wa Pyramids.
Bua ka bona. Bua.
Yabona number 9 oting.
Sharp.
Ayimona dress nyana.
Yeah. O top.
Hayi mfethu no more each and every time athola ball.
Yeah.
The guy looks dangerous.
Very dangerous.
But the thing is, sikadumzila lapha sinombokazi.
Yeah.
Sinombokazi.
Yes, TLP.
Mfana wena bafethu singamthatha simise DRC.
Yeah.
Ayosikadela umzila ngale.
Yeah.
Ngoba kunzima kulo mfana. Mfethu angogada mfethu. Lento Chiefs abayenze ngoRibeiro ukuthi bavale uRibeiro ngama-player 3 amshaya nge-triangle.
Sharp.
Umgambokazi.
One man.
Umgambokazi ayi-1.
Not 3.
Uyenzile most last time.
He did.
Uzohlulwa yini Africa?
I can't.
Mfethu Orlando Pirates is not only the scariest team to play against in South Africa but in Africa
as a whole.
Mfethu. Ibhakane nami ngiyayisaba manje yabona kobe bokuthiwa ibhakane umuntu bengizothi mfethu ibhakane yamaliza kanje ngihambe ngapha
Yeah.
Bengengilungi mfethu
Ujike.
Hayi nzima kabi mfethu
It's heavy.
And then mangibona nje i-line up
Sure.
4-2-3-1 mfethu ngibonile ukuthi ibhakane yamfethu for attacking namhlanje.
Yes.
Namhlanje mfethu ayikho defense. Thima ngibona nje ngithi ama defender yakho maningi nje akuna stress.
Yeah.
Akuna stress siyaphambili. So I was hoping mina ukuthi namhlanje at least masingabamba 1 goal. Siyazi ukuthi masiyalena siyana something nyana but then game mfethu ibhola.
Yeah.
But I'm very confident go Orlando Pirates mfethu.
Yeah.
Very confident go Orlando Pirates. So I trust that team mfethu and we are always humble.
Man of the match.
Man of the match. Nginabantu abayi2 ne.
Ringa.
Nabantu abayi2. Chain nombokazi. No, see.
Okay.
Nginama-player 2 ngino-Chain nombokazi.
Sure.
But mfethu njengoba ngishilo kuwe. Sikadumzila mfethu i-TLP mfethu. Le ndoda ngiyayisaba mfethu.
In less than 10 games ne.
Ngiyayisaba le ndoda.
But yenzani?
But mamela yabona umbokazi mfethu if he's not nominated for defender of the season.
Yeah.
Mfethu anisile.
So kuna something.
Zokuna something.
But uyatsho bamthathe njalo.
Inzima lento wani ibhlungu. I-defender njengaleza se-Italy.
Yeah, vela udlula.
Defender njengaleza se-Italy.
Napoli. Milan.
Makubamba usala naye la.
Dlala iroute 1.
Usala la.
Hayi
akusila into ukuthi kusala ibhola noma umuntu. Kusala ibhola. Kumele lesala ibhola.
Yeah.
Injalo.
Tango njayam. Se Percival.